Yeah, go.
As soon as we get on the path, we'll go back. I think I got one wheel off.
Go that way. When we get ready, okay?
Okay. Is there a turn signal on here?
No. Hit the gas. There you go. Go.
On this way, you want to go fast?
Yeah, go.
Okay. I can't go as fast.
Never mind. Just go straight.
I didn't know you were going to turn that way. Okay.
Keep going.
Oh,
Keep
you
going. Yeah, keep going. I'll show you.
right here?
Yep.
Is this the mud area? Oh, no. Which way is the mud area?
Okay, we're gonna go left.
Are we going to the mud?
Yeah, go left. I'll help you through.
Can you go through it?
Yeah, go. Just drive. I got it. There you go. Getting close.
We still have to go that path?
Yep. Make a turn. Gas. Go left. Yeah. I got it. I got it. We gotta go to the pond. Go. Hit the gas. Go over to the pond. Let's go see the fire. Yeah. Is that the end?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job, Cooper. Say
Yeah.
bye.